Hi guys, welcome back to Physiology Made Easy with Tamara. And today we are going to be talking on the cells of the blood, which include the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and the platelets. We'll be talking on the red blood cells, and they are also called erythrocytes. So they contain hemoglobin, which is responsible for the pigmentation of the red blood cells, like the color of the red blood cells the color red, and it has a biconcave shape for flexibility so they can easily move through the vessels of the blood. They also have a lifespan of 120 days. So we have different types of white blood cells, and they're responsible for the defense of the body. Have the neutrophils, which is like the first white blood cell that attack whenever there's a bacterial infection is the first body's line of defense. Next one is the lymphocyte, which is responsible for. We have two types. We have the T lymphocyte and the B lymphocyte. So the B lymphocyte produces antibodies that destroy viruses, infections, mixes of these antibodies, while the T lymphocyte destroys the foreign body directly. It doesn't make use of like any antibody and the likes. It just ruptures the cell of this foreign body. While the monocyte destroys invaders through an act of phagocytosis, that is, it swallows up the cell. The eosinophils is responsible for it's usually released during allergic reactions, while the basophils are released during inflammation. So all of these cells help to fight infection and foreign invaders, and they can move either into the tissues or to the blood vessels wherever this invader is located. So the next one is the platelets. Anytime we are injured, what stops our blood from flowing out continuously non-stop till it's depleted is the platelets, and they are known as closed cell fragments, not full cells. They originate from a cell called the megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes, it cuts out itself piece by piece, piece by piece. So this stop bleeding, they trigger the clotting cascade, they allow the release of different clotting factors to help with sealing the damaged blood vessel, and it has a life of 7 to 10 days. After that, it is destroyed. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video.